This is Vishwa, Chef de Cuisine for AMS and Nest Catering. Today I'm going to show you how to make roti or chapati. The basic dough is with flour and water. That's pretty much it. Let's see how to make a roti. So I've kneaded the dough till it's all incorporated. It's nice and firm. I'm going to let it rest for a few minutes before I work with it more. And I'm just working with it to make it more pliable. So if you see the texture, it's nice and smooth. And now I'm going to divide it in small balls and roll it. The center is usually a little bit thicker before I start, and I'm going to start rolling it. I'm going to dip it again in the flour so that it's not sticking to my surface, and I'm going to spread it again till I get the desired size. I'm just doing few sprinkles. So it took me about a minute and a half to cook this roti. That was simple homemade roti. You can stuff it with anything you like, or you can just make it plain. If you have any questions, concerns, suggestions, comments, requests, you can email me at chefdecuisine@ams.ubc.ca.